Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video, guys. So I'm here with the Honor X7, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on power saving mode. So this is very useful if your phone battery is running very low. For example, it's on 5% and you need to make a few important phone calls, or you're expecting an important phone call. This will extend the battery life to give you enough time to do that. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just pull down the notifications, go into settings and scroll down to where it says battery. Select it. And here you will see power saving mode. So at the moment my battery is quite strong. It's at 87% and it's showing that I've got 14 hours and 32 minutes remaining. So if you turn power saving mode on, as you can see now, my battery life has extended from 14 hours to 18 hours and 45 minutes. So that's literally another 4 hours of battery life added. Okay, also if you select learn more, you'll see what it's done by enabling it. So to extend battery life, power saving mode will disable auto syncing, disable haptic feedback, disable system sound, reduce visual effects, shorten screen timeout, restrict background app activity, and reduce system performance. So yeah, that's how you turn on power saving mode on the Honor X7. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video, guys. I'm out. Deuces.